Today I'll show you how to create a stunning personalized calendar using Printique's autofill feature. From the home page, hover over Calendars. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the centerfold calendar, but the setup process is similar across all types. After selecting your calendar type, choose the size, paper type, start date, and duration. Then hit Create Now. You'll see options for ready-made template or start from scratch with Build Your Own. I'm going to start with a template. Select your preferred photo source and the photos you want. You can select Import Gallery if you want to import the whole folder. Once selected, click Proceed to edit. You'll be prompted to autofill to automatically place your photos in the calendar. This feature offers several sorting options. Custom sorting allows for maximum flexibility, while other options sort by date taken, order of upload, or alphabetically. When the autofill is done, you'll see a note that tells you to look through the months, to review and make any changes if needed. Also, autofill will duplicate the cover image with the first image on your list. You have the option to change it if you want to. You can also select the autofill option later on the top left. Autofill for Build Your Own has a few more options. You can select the amount of photos you would like on each page. Please note that there are recommended photo quantities under each option, meaning autofill will try to add 24 to 72 photos in each page for few photos option, and then 72 to 144 photos for many photos option. Select Full Bleed for dense edge-to-edge layouts or leave unchecked for more space. When the autofill is done, click through the months at the top to review and make any changes. If you want to redo the autofill, you can choose to refill the existing boxes. That way, only the new photos you import will be added, or you can create a completely new layout. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, comment down below what you would like to see more of.